Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my iPhone N23 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of the languages which are frequently used by us. If you've got only one, that's okay, no worries. All we have to do right now to enter the full list of available languages is to tap on add a language. And here we've got the list, and that was a misclick, sorry. All you have to do is to simply find your language and tap on it. So let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it. You can sometimes choose the region, of course, so just tap. And as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one, in my case, of course. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages and set our desired language at the top. So let me tap on it and hold it, and now we can drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.